Are you between the ages of 17 and 24 years old, based in Wales and interested in music of any genre? Do you want to make a difference, help build pathways for young people to get into music, and fast forward your personal development in music in Wales? Joining Anthem Fast Forward could be the right thing for you. What is Anthem Fast Forward? Anthem Fast Forward gives you the chance to fast forward your personal development in music in Wales. Across the year, you will receive support from Anthem, but also you'll get to feed into Anthem's development and help fast forward change in the music industry for all young people and for future generations. Anthem is passionate about putting young people at the heart of our work as we take our next steps. In 2021, Anthem created a youth forum project, bringing together a group of 16 to 24-year-olds who are involved in music across Wales to help them build pathways into the music industry and to support Anthem's work. Further youth forum cohorts came together in 2022 and 2023, and this project has now become Anthem Fast Forward. Here are the kind of things you will get to do as a part of Anthem Fast Forward. Work with the Anthem project manager to explore journeys through music for young people in Wales. Your views matter and we want to hear what you have to say. Feed into the Anthem Gateway. Create content, host events and share your views and experiences of the music industry in Wales. Meet guest speakers from across the industry to talk on subjects that interest you. Get involved in collaboration projects and have the chance to influence the music industry in Wales. Contribute to the development of Anthem, the projects, and represent Anthem at key music events across Wales. Who are we looking for? We are looking for people with a passion for music in Wales. You might be an active musician, an aspiring musician, a studying musician, a bedroom musician, an early careers music professional, an enthusiastic listener, a music writer, blogger, vlogger, or someone for whom music makes a difference. You will also need to be based in Wales, to be familiar with social media platforms and Zoom, to commit to attending meetings, and to have access to the internet. What the project can do for you. Here are some of the things that you can get out of joining Anthem Fast Forward. Help you make connections across the music sector in Wales. Give you experience on making personal vlogs. And offer opportunities including leading an online event. Meeting dates. Meetings will take place in 2-hour slots every other week, beginning on the 12th of March 2024. To take part, you need to commit to attending these sessions on these dates. Please find the meeting dates listed on our call out document. How to apply. Please complete our application form via the link on our website. On the form, you'll be asked to tell us some of the following. Who you are and what you're doing at the moment. Why you are passionate about music in Wales. About your experiences in music. Why you want to work with Anthem. Send us a reference from someone who knows you or works with you, telling us why they think you should be a part of Anthem Fast Forward. There is an option to upload a video link, so if you would rather tell us about yourself by making a short video, please include the link and fill in the application form boxes with "Please watch my video." The deadline for submissions of applications is 5 p.m, Friday 16th of February 2024. Next steps. You will be informed if you have been invited for an interview by Monday 19th of February 2024. Interviews will take place on Monday 26th and Tuesday 27th of February online via Zoom. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to apply to this role, and we especially welcome applications from those who are underrepresented in the music industry. If you have any access needs that you would like us to put in place to enable you to join Anthem Fast Forward, please contact Rhian Hutchins by emailing rhian.hutchins@anthem.wales. Anthem Music Fund Wales is a bilingual organisation. To encourage the use of Welsh language, during our sessions, we will have a Welsh translator present at all online sessions.